another billion.
You were the wine to my touching sky.